Hello everybody, I hope that you're doing very well and welcome back to another cryptocurrency technical analysis where in today's video I'm going to be going through the Bitcoin chart here, the current levels where we are finding resistance from, the reasons for this and how I believe this will trade going into the weekend. So I hope that you thoroughly enjoyed this video and let me start here, okay, with a thought-provoking question I guess. Why do you think that we're finding resistance on this chart, okay? And remember this, that in trading there is never, okay, there is never a random pivot on a chart, be that a major high and a major low, or just be an intraday trading resistance. Okay, with that in mind, the level that we are finding resistance off right now, okay, it is the Fibonacci golden pocket. Okay, so from our high to low fibs, we can see here price coming up to the golden pocket and finding rejections. Okay, so 3 rejections today, okay, where we can also see when we take our fibs, and this I'm going to refer to the tweet because I had a lot of people message me about this. We take our fib extension from low to high to low, and we can see in the golden pocket here we had the 1-to-1 extension, so a bit of Fibonacci confluence, which I obviously tweeted out today saying traders often ask if they can predict price movements with Fibonacci. Okay, so what we can say is pre-calculated targets. Okay, so Fibonacci targets, we never know, we can never guarantee target's going to be reached, but when price comes up to our target, we can say with a high degree of probabilities that there will be a reaction at that level. Okay, so as wrote here, I think I said, okay, but what we can say is that as soon as a target pre-calculated by the combined Fibonacci figures is reached, the chances for reaction are very high. Okay, so this was earlier in the day when we were just hitting the golden pocket with the 1-to-1 extension. And you can see the reactions that we've had from this 1, 2, 3 and a downwards movement. Okay, this is obviously for intraday trading because this is an intraday trading time frame. We're here on the 15-minute on the grand picture. We know that the trend is down here, and these are intraday pivots that we're taking for the golden pocket. Okay, so this is obviously giving you about a 1.5% move. Okay, so that's very good for a short in the day term. Even if you're just trading it down to here, in the grand scheme of things, it's that's still a day trade right there. Okay, so with that in mind, I just wanted to alert you to the immediate resistance that we're finding. Okay, so is this resistance likely to hold up over the weekend? Okay, I think overall no. Okay, this is a reaction where you expect for a day, but the more times you test this, you can break through it. Okay, so when we go for a weekend sort of perspective for the next 48 hours, the major resistances that we're going to be running into here, obviously the 382, 9,700. Okay, the 618, basically 10,000, so we'll say 97, 10,000, and then the overall number one resistance for me, 10,319, which is obviously just the start of our breakdown and our monthly level as well. So really important resistance, 10,319, and weekend based resistance is 382, 618. Okay, or if we potentially fell down now, we would know that the golden pocket did hold out. Okay, if we just take a trend, I was asleep during this time, so this was coming in around 2 a.m. for me, but if we just take a general trend line through this price action, okay, what we can say is you are still holding trend support here as well. Okay, and you also then got an intraday fib, okay, as well. So at the moment you're just in a really tight range, okay, with that 6.5 resistance, and you've got all of this as now temporary support as well. In the grand scheme of things, we know that the trend is down. Okay, and this could just be a bear flag, and then we obviously got our harmonic pattern, which is trading very nicely still, of our butterfly harmonic, which is giving us our target between 9,200 and 9k. So we got that nice $200 region there for our target of the butterfly, the harmonic going on. Okay, then in this grand scheme of things, we can also say that is our horizontal support. If that support is lost, well, it's game on for lower levels. Okay, but until that support is lost, this support is support and it has to be viewed as support. Okay, and it's when it's lost we go into lower levels. So yeah, into the weekends, I think it's probably going to be a bit of a choppy weekend. Okay, so overall the trend we have to say is down. Okay, that's undeniable, the trend is down here, but we can still see this leg up going into the weekend, which would obviously probably potentially take out a lot of over leveraged shorters, so that I've decided to short here down the bottom, so you could see this leg up before another leg down. But overall, the trend definitely down. Just be careful of that sort of short squeeze going into the weekend. Okay, yeah, those are the immediate resistances that I'm looking at of the fibs. Okay, the target obviously being 9k. If you lose 9k, well, yeah, then you're looking down to 8.8 and lower. Okay, but I'll cover that if and when that breakdown happens. Okay, you already know my overall Elliott wave count, which is our WXY, coming down to around 7.4. Okay, but we'll update this as and when necessary. Okay, so yeah, those are the important levels that I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Today I have been trading Link, Engine Coin, been in and out of Litecoin and Ethereum as well. So like altcoins generally today have just been nice trades. Okay, let's just load up Link really quickly. You know, this was a trade obviously from weekly up to our parallel channel. Okay, so not parallel channel, excuse me, our trend line resistance, which has been like an intra trend line resistance, so it goes through price action, and we can see it today nicely came back up as a resistance level for a move down. So yeah, there's been day trades for Link and, you know, a few other altcoins as well. Oh, look at Tomo go now. But yeah, that's the analysis done. So if you're here for the analysis, thank you so much for watching. I'd just like to give a quick announcement to say also that the Chart Champions group is now open. From my last YouTube video that I done, there was a lot of comments from people saying that they would love a spot in the group. So this is for you. This is for everybody. Thank you also so much for the support. Obviously, the group has been sold out for so long. I have decided to temporarily reopen it for you all. So yeah, if you want this opportunity while it's reopened, then just come along to chartchampions.com. Okay, you will be obviously presented with our homepage where you can click on yes, show me how. Okay, and you will now finally see that on the information page here that the player, contender and champions are now reopened. Okay, so instead of sold out, you'll see enroll now. So if you wanted to enroll as a champion, let's say, you'll click on enroll now, enter your details, click submit, and that will allow you into our trading community. Okay, where I would like to say again that we have over 50 hours of educational content on the website now. So this is packed with value, I would say personally, but you know, I would also say feel free to message anybody that's a member and just ask them on their opinion, and you can get an opinion from them as well. But personally, well, yeah, there's a lot of information here, 50 hours of educational content, and I just really want to stress that it's not primarily a signals group, okay? So this is for education and people that want to learn to become a profitable and successful trader, okay? It's not for people that just want signal calls. So if you're interested in learning how to trade and, you know, be good at it, then this is the objective for me of opening the group, okay? Or you can also come over here as well and just see some of the reviews from people that have freely left, okay, of existing members. So yeah, that I just wanted to end saying that this is now open. And if you are interested, you can come over, you know, sign up, and then I'll see you inside of the trading community. You can come over, say hello, take some trades with me, and yeah, enjoy your time. Nice little family, really nice family that we got going on here. This was one of our posts. Yeah, just really nice, everything, that everyone really close, really great, I think. And yeah, I would just like to end with a little bit of wisdom. Okay, so I'll end with a bit of trading wisdom. So traders, you must decide to take small profits or fast profits. Okay, so this is because in a trade, you're never just going to hold profit. You know, you never hold your trade to overall target, because you have probably noticed if you do that, you might miss your target by $10 and be left then trapped in a trade as it turns around. So in a trade, you always have several take profits. Remember that. Okay, and you have to decide whether to take small fast profits or stay in a trade longer and wait for the second take profit target. Remember, in strong bull and bear markets like we saw earlier this year, you could hold on to trades and trade your stop losses and, you know, stay in a trade a lot longer. But you must remember, however, in sideways markets, what we are in right now, okay, taking profits earlier is the better strategy, okay, because you have to remember this at the end of the day is really choppy, and although it looks likely that we're coming down for this next leg to 9k, it could at the end of the day come up just as easily, because we are in this sideways market right now. So just with that in mind, remember, you never lost money taking profits. No one went broke taking profits, and yeah, in a sideways market, generally speaking, that is the better strategy, to lock in those profits because you are sideways. So a little bit of trading wisdom to end there, and yeah, hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Those are the levels that I'm trading off of. Oh yeah, we also had that really nice parallel channel going on, by the way. But yeah, that's for another video. But yeah, we're all still in a nice channel here. But yeah, hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, I'd really appreciate a like. And yeah, let me know down below, what do you believe? What's your price target for the end of the weekend? Okay, are you looking down towards 9k or lower? Are you expecting much lower prices to come this weekend or over the next week? Let's say the next week. Are you expecting prices to come down to 8,000, 7,000, or are you expecting a short squeeze and to see us starting the new week above 10k? That would be very interesting. So yeah, I'll read through all those comments. Let me know down below how you're expecting this to turn out, bullish or bearish. And yeah, thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers everybody, thank you, bye.